Ghanaians reacted as fake Igbo king is said to take his businesses out of Ghana to Nigeria and other African countries.
Breaking news. If you are Igbo man or if you are a Nigerian man, if you are a Ghana man, please share this video right now. So we have sit with the Igbo king, yes, and Igbo in Ghana here, and discuss how the situation is going. So you have explained to people that the seat is too hot right now. So finally, he said that he is now relocate his business to Nigeria or the other country. He's taking all his company out of Ghana right now. That is the breaking news. So right now, he's taking his business out of Ghana right now. So he has get some other country that he will relocate his business. He will relocate his business and also in Nigeria, so that Azza Ayarega can able to do the business and employ all the youth in Ghana here.
In case you do not understand the reason why fake Igbo king is taking his business out of Ghana to Nigeria and other African countries, as it is stated in the video, this is the reason why. Igbo king has been living in Ghana for over 28 years, and one day he came up with an idea of building a kingdom in Ghana, and the Ghanaians were like, no, why would you build a kingdom in Ghana when you are not a Ghanaian? So fake Igbo king came out and he responded back to Ghanaians, and Ghanaians responded back to him. So that's how the boost bar started, and it escalated to where we are right now. So now that the Igbo king want to take all these businesses to Nigeria and other African countries, this is how the Ghanaians feel about the whole scenario, guys. Let's take a look at the video.
All right, guys. Now, I believe that you guys listen to the video, right? I believe that you guys listen to everything about what this guy was reporting. Allegedly, I don't know how factual that is, but that is what this guy is saying. That the self-acclaimed Igbo leader. I've told you that I will not call him a king because he's not. Yes, so the self-acclaimed Igbo leader, that's what I'm going to call him. He's saying that he's taking all his businesses out of Ghana to another country or Nigeria. That's good. Now let me clap for him. I'm happy that at long last you want to take your business out of Ghana because the place is hot. You thought that you can have your own way. Now your own way is not coming through, right? So you are running. That's good. Now let me just give you one word or two or three words. Number one, since you are going, make sure you go with all your people, okay? Go with all the people that are in your house serving you or whatever. Go with them. That's number one. Number two, make sure all the sub chiefs you have actually, or the leaders or whatever you have actually elected under you, you go with them, okay? Just go with them also, because at the end of the day, we don't need those people. We don't need them. And if you are an Igbo guy and you are listening to me, okay, know that your guy came to Ghana trying to do things that he's not supposed to do. So all of you are part of it because you guys came in your numbers. And when you came in your numbers, you have a secret agenda. You have a plan. You have a long alternative plan in your head. Come to Ghana, put yourself together, dominate in Ghana, and turn Ghana into your second home. No, we won't do that. We won't allow you guys. Okay? Now, let me also say that the way you throwing your weight about on in the Ghana state, okay, on the Ghana Traditional Council, I don't blame you. I blame few of the people out there, few of them, the traitors, the people that come to you to come and beg for no coffee. I blame those people. Otherwise, I don't see why you should be throwing yourself around like that. Some of us, we know when you came into Ghana, we know you came in as a young man. Some of us know how you look like, and you married to a Ghanaian and blah 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 and all that. You want to buy a land to build a house for yourself. Now you turn the whole place into your kingdom, whatever you call it. I'm sorry to tell you that there's one kingdom only in Accra, one that belongs to King Takitayua Tekoturu II, the Ghana state, the overlord of Accra. He is the only person taking care of what is going on in Accra. And let me say this on authority, for those that keep saying that he came to Ghana, he feel like where there's no unity, he want to do this, want to do that. We know the genesis of some of the problem that happened in some other regions as well, until there was sanity. Okay, so you guys should understand that there's a chieftaincy issue in Accra, and now everything is settling down, and so we're taking charge. That is why the only person that can stop you from celebrating that fake yam festival is Niteko Tru II, the king of Accra, the Gamanche, the only beautiful Gamanche we have. Okay, he's the only person that can stop you, and he did that. Now, about your business and all the things that people keep saying, whether it's allegedly, whether it's a fact on the ground, whether it's not the truth, blah blah blah, whatever it is, at the end of the day, we want to say that it's enough. At long last, if you want to go, we clap for you. You can go. We are happy you are leaving. We are happy that the kidnapping, the buying of people, the unnecessary tension, the shop and people that are selling on the street, all your people, we are happy that you are leaving. It's fine. Please, just go. No problem. We are okay with that. If you think, I mean, the situation where you hear some of them saying that, oh, we're going to leave. If we leave, you guys, how are you going to build your economy? If we leave, you guys cannot build your economy, blah, blah, blah. Those kind of sentiments, when I hear them, I feel like you guys don't know what you want. You have more than 36 states, and you guys are out there. Why can't you build your own? Just build your place. Build your place. Why can't you stay and build your own place? And unless you run to somebody's country, build your own place, Mr. Igbo man. Build it. If you think you have enough money, why do you want to migrate to somebody's country before you think that, oh, if we leave, you guys, your economy is going to crash. We are the ones. Go and help your economy. Okay, your economy want to be good as the economy in Ghana. So why can't you go there and help your people? Help your people so they can build their economy as well. I think that's the best way to go, Mr. Igbo leader. Okay, now, let's go and listen to one Nigerian lady also, who was giving up to you guys. Woto. It's not easy. We'll be right back to come and continue.
OMG, the mighty Iroko has fallen. The almighty Iroko has fallen. Nigeria has fallen. You see how Ghanaians are scooping, chasing Nigerians out of their country. Yes. Oh, if it wasn't for us, Ghana wouldn't be what they are. The same thing you have been saying in every country you will step your foot to. Shame on the Nigerian government, from the president to the local government. Shame on you all. If you have sold this country, open your mouth and say it. Ghanas, keep on more and more. Now they will help to fix that country. You all is out. This is a wake-up call for you all to tackle the criminalities that call themselves leaders in that country. They are all criminals. They don't care about the betterment of the citizens. Now Ghana has come out and start scooping you all. Yes, it seems like a chihuahua eating up the giant. Yeah.
Well. Have you guys heard from the lady? Nigeria, a big country like that. When you guys wake up, all you say that is the giant of Africa. The giant of Africa. You see? Now you people, I don't know what to say. I don't even know what to say. It's unbelievable. Ebusia. Now, Bomodia say you follow us on this platform, Top Gossip 24, from YouTube to TikTok to wherever. We are always here to break the news to all of you. So we are here to break the news. So when you listen to this woman, she's saying that if you guys know you sold Nigeria, tell them they want to know, because Yama Ekoswa Nigeria no. Funny. People are running hell scatter. Anywhere they go, every country they enter, they will spoil them. Every country. Let me just mention. Indonesia officially has banned you guys. Qatar officially has banned you guys. Oman has finally also banned you guys. Kuwait are on your back, chasing you guys every day. Dubai has banned you people, and you guys have done everything you can to have a passport from Cameroon. Now Cameroon has also received a restriction. Now, even in the US, they are chasing you guys. UK, you spoiled there. Canada, you guys, many of you guys filed for what do you call asylum. About 1,595 of you guys were rejected. So you see, everywhere you go, it's like MTN. Everybody is chasing you out. Now, when we talk, you people think that we don't like you. It's not like we don't like you. your character, your behavior, the way you say things is not the best. That's why you guys are struggling. That's why you guys are struggling. I'm telling you. It is very bad though. Omo Naija, you guys have to sit down and stop all this nonsense. You guys have to sit down and stop all this nonsense. It's too much. You guys have to sit down and stop these unnecessary things you are doing. If you are living in a place, don't bring your old attitude to that place. Like somebody coming to Ghana and come and be doing his own thing and thinking that he owned the place. I'm sorry, Ghanaians are very patient. We like people. We welcome people. But when you step on our balls, this one under our legs, we will do anything to make sure we kick you out. So that's what is going on, guys. It is very, very important. So information I made everyone say allegedly Chief Ehinetu said he's taking his businesses out of Ghana, and that's nice. Now let me speak in Ghana before I leave. In Yeme Game, I go away. I go no manyaba. In your yake, wagame, wahio mewa, ene woni, boy, eba yiga. Taflache, goye kumeneba higa, amekebule ha, wagamancheme. Ni womin pa wagamanchema fai, ye hishiba mi, nye kenyana ni amashi. Kegbo kumfe no kone hiye, kenye ba bule na kaimo, alu abajie mo emate, afe. Nakpa na kan Accra FA Cosmopolitan. Ni se ne na afe ya la Kumasi bona ko oblanuwe. Oblanuwe na ka eji otunfu ona be na jila anu na agbele. Ebo. Inka akenye fe na kan yi. Shika moko fe no ko le hin se na discipline mo na kan pepepe. Do for me no ni min yue ji ake niga. Over ne ko na ne amashi impa min pa ofai. Numo min kwashi yo hin. Ni ha wo fia ni bi ni ba ni anunyan ke wu. Ke bule abaga ke won fe no ko e gamami ni moku e gboko fe no konkro le sumo ne babo no wo fi otoye sane wo gbala na kan mo otoye nye fe nye twa nye maniaba.
Okay, as the news said, it's allegedly, but you know, as you can hear from this very Ghanaian guy, they don't care if he's taking his business back to Nigeria or any other African country. So long as he will be accepted there to build his kingdom, that's their, you know, cup of tea. But in Ghana, he cannot do whatever he want to do because Ghana is for Ghanaians, not for Nigerians or any other, you know, person from other African countries. So when you come into a land, learn how to respect, you know, their laws. As simple as that. But those people that will come and be carrying their shoulder up, that is where you start having problem with Ghanaians. You understand? Because they are wonderful people. They are welcoming. You know, the whole world have seen and said it all. So what is the big deal? You respecting just the law. What is the law that you cannot respect just for you to have your peace of mind? And, you know, you and I know that this land is blessed. Yeah, Ghana land is blessed. The motherland is blessed. So whatever you put your hands, it multiplies. Can you please tell me? Just let me know your testimony in the comment section because, of course, I am blessed in this land and I believe a lot of people too have their own story to say about motherland Ghana. So, if you can't go by the law of the land, I beg, pack your bags and go because the law is not something difficult to do. Yeah, I believe most of you is for sure. Everybody have his own law in his country. So, you will not feel good if somebody comes from another country to come and disrespect your law. You will feel so bad. So that's exactly how Ghanaians are feeling right now. I beg, take it easy. Take it easy, and let's live in peace in Africa, okay? So guys, now the room is open for you to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.